make a living. I make music for people, and then I play for people like you who dance. Normally it's in a nightclub, today it's in a school. So I'm going to maybe tell you a little bit about how I make this music. Would you like to know a little bit?
Yeah.
About all the different parts. As I use my computer, I'm sure some of you have computers, and I use this piece of software that I can make sounds with. Make it by adding lots of different parts to the music. So when you heard there, you heard like there's a beat that you all dance to, and you heard like there's maybe a melody and some funny sounds in there as well. So I put them all together on different, what we call channels. All different parts of the music. So I can play them separately so you can hear what I mean. So here's the music as you heard it. Different bits of the beat are all different sounds, so I can go through them. All different parts of the drum that make up the beat. And when I play them together, I can take away some so you hear less. And the way
so that low was like, what was the kick sound we had earlier on? It's going to be the Euro, isn't it? And then what do we have? You were the not yet, but that's what it's going to be later on. And have you done Igor? Have you done the Igor piece in DabbledooMusic yet? Oh yeah, what sequence is the sound? Or the front door? Yeah, you do the front door. It's kind of like that, isn't it? Where you've got loads of boxes and you fill in the sound in each one and then go across from it.